I'm Angeline B. I have to always say this. This is real life. Thank you very much for joining. I do know that it's time for the refresh. I do my refresh every month. And before I go into everything, I just want to welcome. Let me see. Look, I gotta remember the things now. So I'm welcoming everyone. Thanks for joining me live. Hello, cultivators out there. We're gonna be doing a garden refresh. Here's our garden. The camera's gonna turn around hopefully shortly. Yes, let's just do it this way. It's gonna be turning around shortly. Here we go. So we are gonna be refreshing the tank, cleaning out the old water, putting in new water, just rinsing it out, getting everything refreshed and clean. So we have 2 garden tanks to do that with. I probably will be doing just one today and setting up. I have to turn you guys around because I'm having trouble seeing. And setting up in our new area because we're going to be remodeling this area. So we did harvest the other day, as you can see. I do continuous harvest, so I harvested. However, they grew back. Salad is ready. Lettuce is ready to go. So we're gonna get this refreshed, and I'm gonna show you the steps. I'm gonna have to back it out here. That's gonna be where our new garden is gonna go. And our new garden. This one, we're gonna move it to over there. So first things first, we need a towel to put down on the ground. So let's see my shoes. I just put it on the ground here, all the way up. So you go in here. I think I need to zoom in so you guys can see it. And you have this little thing here, and that's where the water pump is. So you take the water pump, you lift it up, and you hook it on. So you slide it up and hook on. See, this is why it needs refreshing, because stuff falls in, it's dirty, this needs to be cleaned out. I do this once a month. I put Hydro Boost inside to add to to stretch how long the water needs to be refreshed. Of course, the plants are continuously drinking water. The water has nutrients in it, but this is my monthly refreshing that we're doing today. Our handles on the side. Open the handles. And then, so this is where I need my 2 hands here. Have it turned this way. I need my shoes because I'm gonna go outside. Let's put the garden thing here. You hold it by the pipes, not the light. Light is very fragile. You don't want to hold it by there. I usually leave it on. Slide over my foot. Hopefully it's not water time. I should go look, but this shouldn't take too long. Lift it up. Move it over. Put it here. That's it. As you can see, the tank has a lot of water in it. So we got some weeds here also taking advantage. And we're resetting it up in a different location. 5 gallons. So we have 4 teaspoons for hard water. I use the water from outside, not inside today. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It sounds like he's there fixing his car to the same tune. So in lifting, I gotta leave the stuff in the back. As long as the little windows are open, make sure nothing gets into the water. All right, and we lower it right here. And there we go. So as long as the handles are open, it usually falls in. As you can see, the handles are closed. I'm just moving it. There you go. So now the handles have closed. And then we lower. You gotta remember to lower the pump back in. See, as you can see, the light is a lot easier to manage when the light is off. So this is what the garden looks like without the lights. It's nice and clear. And that's how we refresh our garden. We just let it start, let it come back on. Let me make sure the switch is on. If you just put my hand back here, see if I see the light. Yep, switch is on. Yeah, it's gonna take a minute. There we go. It takes a few minutes. Back here is a little damp. I'm gonna wipe it. And there we go. Thank you for joining. Let me know how your gardens are doing. Let me know what plants are thriving on your garden as well. Which ones are growing? Thank you all for joining. For more information on refreshing your garden tank, please visit my webpage, AV Gardening. And for extra support and more videos with more details, please visit us at Patreon to support my channel and support me. Thank you very much for joining. I've been Angeline and the team, and we'll see you next time. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and put on the notifications so you get notifications for when I'm going live. So I'll see you next time, and goodbye for now. Stay green always.